Okay, we moved outside. As you can see, we have a 4-inch PVC clean out here. You can see this is where the line comes through the wall. There's been an extension put on, running it over to the bushes for right now because this line continually had water coming out the overflow. We're going to do a diagnostic televise. Okay, there you see the pump just kicked on. And you can see we currently have no visual. Try and see if the line drains down here. We can get some sort of visual. This is an area where we're having trouble getting past. It does want to hang up in this area. If we push forward, it does want to hang up as we go to pull back. Okay, this seems to be as far as we can push at this time. We are going to pause to locate. Okay, we were able to get an idea where this is at. There's a big trampoline in the backyard. Right here we feel a little, we hang up just a little bit as we go to pull back. We believe it's very possible that this was just dug out 10 feet and a dry well put in. They just ran 10 feet of pipe out and then buried a bunch of stone in the ground. If the groundwater level raises over time, that'll stop the dry well, or possibly with the mineral deposits that you've seen on the inside. We also have those mineral deposits built up a little bit here in the 4-inch as well, and that could also be causing an issue with the discharge. We are recording as we pull back. Again, we don't have much of a visual because a good portion of the piping is holding water. Try and see, being the sump kicked on, if we can get a little better view of possibly. Yeah, it's hard for us to get a view. Again, when we push all the way forward as far as we can, when we pull back, we do seem to catch a little bit like we're catching on the end of the pipe. It's hard for us to determine if that's actually it, due to the fact that we actually do not have a visual at this time. Again, you can see we are holding more water. It does eventually slowly drain down into the ground, as you've seen when we pulled back compared to the amount of water that was in the line when the pump kicked on. This is the end of our recording of the outside discharge.